What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, as you see, we got a little package. We're going to be doing an unboxing. This is the turbo for the Camaro build you see in front of me. But over the winter I'm going to be boosting the Camaro pretty much like I did last winter with the Civic, but now we got the LS power. But it's a budget build, so of course went with a budget turbo. In front of me is the MaXpeedingRods GT45 turbo. Nice packaging. Comes with both the gaskets for the oil feed and drain, and both the gaskets for the hot side, and a little like decal badge looking thing. Pretty cool. And a bunch of instructions and whatnot. Then you have the turbo in here, which I'm gonna have to put the camera down to get this thing out, so it weighs around 40 pounds. And that's everything in the box. Got a zip tie on here. Also have a I don't know, like a oil type of paper down there, just so the hot side doesn't rust up. Let me take those out here. Very oily, but that's from the paper in there. That's good, just so it doesn't rust. And here it is. Take off these caps. Pretty nice turbo. I didn't think it had the MaXpeedingRods like logo on it. All the other ones I was looking at don't have it, but I guess it does. No big deal really. It does have a little amount of side-to-side shaft play, but from all the videos and stuff that I've been watching, and there's a brand new Borg Warner, brand new Garrett turbo that have the same amount of shaft play. So once it gets oil pressure in it, it should get most of that shaft play gone, but no in and out shaft play, so that's good. Should be pretty good for the Camaro.